Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best gaming motherboards that are available on the market.
Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos.
Starting at number 5, we have Asus ROG Maximus Z890 Hero. Tired of slow, frustrating 3D prints? The Creality Ender 3v3 SE changes the game with blazing 250 mm/s print speeds, so you finish projects fast without sacrificing quality. Setup takes just 20 minutes, with auto-leveling and Z-offset adjustment that make printing beginner-friendly. Plus, the reliable Sprite Direct Extruder handles PLA, PETG, and TPU like a pro. I've tested it, and for this price, the performance is unbeatable. If you want speed, stability, and simplicity, the Ender 3v3 SE is hands down one of the best budget 3D printers out right now. Moving on. At number 4, we have MSI Mag Z790 Tomahawk Wi-Fi, building a high-performance Intel rig. The MSI Mag Z790 Tomahawk Wi-Fi might be your perfect match. It supports 12th, 13th, and 14th Gen Intel CPUs, packs blazing fast DDR5 and PCIe 5.0 support, and comes with Wi-Fi 7 and 2.5 Gbps LAN for ultra-fast connectivity. With 4 RAM slots and M2 storage support, it's ready for serious gaming or productivity builds. Honestly, for a renewed board, this is a powerhouse at a smart price. If you're upgrading or building fresh, the Z790 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi delivers top-tier performance without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have MSI Mag X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. Looking to unleash the full power of your Ryzen CPU? The MSI Mag X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi is built for serious performance. It supports Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series and features USB 4 with 40 Gbps speeds for ultra-fast data transfer. You also get a 5G LAN connection and Audio Boost 5 for smooth gameplay and immersive sound. Plus, the extended heatsink design keeps temps in check even under heavy load. This board is future-ready and packed with premium features, perfect for gamers and power users who want zero compromises. At number 2, we have Gigabyte X670 Aorus Elite AX, ready to future-proof your AMD build? The Gigabyte X670 Aorus Elite AX is stacked with next-gen features. It supports Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series CPUs on the AM5 socket and delivers blazing speed with DDR5 support and PCIe 5.0. You also get 4 M.2 slots, dual USB 4 ports, and top-tier thermal guards to keep things cool. Plus, the 16+2+2 power design ensures rock-solid stability. Honestly, this board is a beast for gamers and creators who want cutting-edge performance without compromise. Gigabyte nailed it with this one. And finally, at number 1, ASRock B850 Steel Legend Wi-Fi. Looking for a powerful AM5 motherboard without breaking the bank? The ASRock B850 Steel Legend Wi-Fi is a feature-packed beast. It supports Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series CPUs with DDR5 RAM up to 8000 plus MHz-OC and a solid 14+2+1 phase power design using ADA Dr. MOS for stable performance. You get PCIe 5.0, a blazing Gen 5 M.2 slot, and rich connectivity with tons of USB options. It's not for pre-built systems, but if you're building fresh, this board offers serious value and next-gen readiness at a great price point.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.